Hey, what's up everybody? Simon here, and I just received a package from LongRich International after like 3 days of ordering, and I'm so excited. I don't know if you're a member of LongRich, but honestly, my friend told me about this company, and I didn't think twice. I was like, this is the real thing, because guys are really crashing it. But I'm not here to tell about LongRich. I'm just here to be able to show you my package that I received, and yeah, so I'm going to be able to actually unbox the package as you see it, and I hope this really excites you. And if you have been standing on the fence, maybe this can be able to push you to get started. So I'm going to jump on right now, and I'm going to actually show you me and package the box for you to be able to see what is inside. I'm going to show you everything, including how much I paid and what I received. Okay. So I'm going to open the box, and I'll show you what is inside the box. I know that some of you have heard about LongRich, and maybe you've never been able to receive their products. I paid for this package, and I'm so much excited to be able to receive this. So let's open it and see what is inside. Okay, this is what you call the unboxing challenge. Okay, so guys, wow, so you have to see what is inside. First I get this one. Okay, so you can see this is the super big clean magnetic sanitary napkins, and actually this box, if you just want to see what is contained inside, it actually contains sanitary pads, which you can actually be able to use for, like, it has got 8 layers. You can see the description, and I'll be able to open inside for you to see what else is contained inside here. Okay, so that's number one. Then also inside here I've got something else. Okay, so I also received this as part of my package. You can see that, so awesome. Okay, and I have another package here. I'm going to open for you guys to be able to see it. Let's see. Are you guys excited to see what is inside here? Yeah. So you see, I got this white tea dandruff control shampoo, so I can be able to use this to be able to actually, I think, bath with. This part of my package. And another one here, I also got this as part of the package. Alright, there's another package here, and guys, this is all part of my package just for that order that I did. I also got this. And this is calcium. If you have got challenges with bones and all that stuff, you can be able to actually take this, and I actually got this for free. So amazing. Okay, and also got this pack for free just because I ordered this box, so it's part of the package. You can consume this to be able to make sure that your bones become stronger, to be able to add more calcium to your system. Awesome. And guess what else I got? I got 2 packs of soap. Look at this, LongRich Natural Essence Bamboo Charcoal Soap, and this has got 3 packages of soap. And yeah, and in addition to that, I also got this one here. So if you look at all this, like, just turn the camera here for them to be able to see the total value that I got. So I got this whole box inside here, and I got these 2, I got these 2, I got these 2. And I'll just show you the receipt for my payment, I think so. Yeah, let's see, where is that? Okay, yes. Total value for the receipt is only 10,000, and for 10,000 I got all these guys. So you can imagine that 10,000 Kenya shillings, which is like $100, $100, and I got all these guys. And so I'm so excited, and I just thought that maybe I can be able to show you what is inside the box and what you get. So I hope you love it. That's it. And now I look forward to be able to share it with more people, tell people about how it works. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you loved it. And in case you need anything from me or you want to be able to get the same package, just contact me. You can be able to call me, or you can be able to contact the person who was told you about LongRich before, and you can be able to get exactly the same package. So thank you so much. That's awesome.